Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 24th September 2025. India is planning to allow more foreign investment in public sector banks. The current limit is 20%. The government wants to strengthen these banks. This will help them raise more capital. The government will keep at least 51% stake. This ensures the banks remain public. The goal is to make them globally competitive. Swiggy is reorganizing one of its growing divisions, Instamart, by moving it into a wholly owned subsidiary, Swiggy Instamart Private Limited. The board approved the move on Tuesday and it is now pending shareholder approval. Swiggy is transferring all of Instamart's operations, employees, assets and contracts to the new company in what is legally referred to as a slump sale. This means the business is sold as a whole for a single agreed upon price based on the net value of its assets minus liabilities. Swiggy is moving Instamart onto its own balance sheet rather than splitting up individual assets or accounts. Swiggy is doing this for operational flexibility, attract investors, and for future growth options. Food tech major Swiggy will sell its stake in Ropen Transportation Services, the parent entity of Rapido, to consumer internet firm Prosus and Westbridge Capital for Rs 2,399 crore. In 2022, Swiggy led a $180 million Series D round in Rapido, investing about Rs 950 crore. This means the firm is earning a 2.5 times return on its investment. Paytm Money has partnered with Jio BlackRock to launch India's first fund using BlackRock's systematic active equity model, expanding access to strategies previously available only to institutional investors. The Jio BlackRock FlexiCap Fund will open for subscription on the Paytm Money app from September 23rd to October 7th. Retail investors can start with as little as Rs 500 either through a lump sum or systematic investment plan. BlackRock's Aladdin Risk and Investment Management platform will also be deployed to help analyze nearly 1,000 Indian companies. In its bid to catalyze the growth of Indian audit and advisory firms and making a few of them big enough even to rival the Big Four, the government is considering a slew of regulatory relaxations. These include easing curbs on advertising by professional service providers like chartered accountants, lawyers, and company secretaries, and allowing them to engage in brand building. A proposal to restrict the participation of foreign advisory firms in government contracts is also under active consideration. Tata Advanced Systems unveiled a new manufacturing facility in Casablanca region of Morocco. This is Tata Advanced Systems' first overseas defense manufacturing facility. The company said this is also the first overseas manufacturing facility by an Indian defense company. India, with its growing technological and industrial base, has emerged today as a rising hub of innovation and a reliable partner of the global south. Therefore, this plant will be beneficial for both countries. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.